So let's move on to class. Last class we discussed a few Linux commands, right? So anyone any doubt yesterday class? So mostly that is very important and how to search. So what is we can write so grep command so grep command grep command and also f grep command and also we use right find command if you want to find only files or only directories, and that case we go for find. And if you want to find any right IP address, so class we discuss right how to filter, how to search the only that particular pattern and how to print it. So mostly they are asking that one, and today we'll see continuation. Anyone any doubt yesterday class? Now let's see here. Now today we'll see some more continuation. Where is that document? Okay. Now we know right file and sorting comparison. Now we'll see piping direction unique sorting some file permissions. Okay. Or we can see. mm, okay. So piping. So piping means so most of the cases we are using piping. Piping simply if you want to understand. So one command output I want to pass input to another command. This is very simple only, but many cases we are using piping. So try to understand. Let me open. So so piping means I am executing one command. So I am running one command. I am getting some output. So this output I want to pass input to another command. So generally piping means how it will work. We are connection, right? One command, so one pipe to another pipe. How it will work means same way. So for example, so here I am typing something and I am typing ls command. So I am comping so ls command. It will display some output. So this output I want to pass input to other command. That is different ways we can use it. So this is the one way. See here. So we can use output of one command as input. So one command as output of one command as input to another command. So first I am running one command. We are getting some output. So that output I am passed to another command input. So that case mostly we are go for so piping. Mostly we go for piping. Piping is nothing but so this is the symbol. So piping is nothing but so this is the symbol. Anywhere if you want to we can use so anywhere this is shift and so backspace down there is one symbol. This is the piping. This is the piping. So if you run any command ls command I am getting some output. I am getting some output. So this output I want to pass input to another command. Another command. So that case we go for piping. Now see here. This is ls hyphen l and slash etc, and we are going to give so wc means word count. I want to give. This is also one command wc. So wc is also one command. Here I am getting some output. This output I am passed to input to this command. Now see here. Same way, I am using so for example ls. Now I am using ls or I am using so ls or I am using cat space. You have one file, right? What is the file name? Course.txt. Course.txt. I am getting some output. This output I want to pass input to another command. Now same thing, pipe symbol, and so any command that is yours. For example, word count, I want to count so how many lines, how many words, how many characters. Now see here, this output, this is the one up to this, this is the one command. So if you want to, here I am getting some output. This output I am passed to input to this command. This is also one more command. WC means word count. This is one more command. Here how many lines, and so how many words, and how many characters. So that case we can use, this is the pipe symbol. So that case mostly we are using piping. Simply if you want output of one command as input to another command, that's it. Anywhere we can use, that is your wish. Remaining and all, that is up to you only. That is up to you. So right. ls command, it will display all files and directories. Ls, for example, I am giving. I want to print only. I want to search something. I want to search something. We can use like this also. ls means it will display all this output or particular directory or whatever you want. So hyphen type hyphen type and files only. I want to display name. Yesterday we used, right? I want to say many commands we can use. Star.txt files, star.txt. So here we are adding two commands, more than two, that's it. So here this is a one command and this is also one command. So if you run first command, we are getting some output. This output, it will give to input to this command, that's it. I hope you got it right. Anyone, any doubt? Piping, how it will work? So now there is one file, right? So users and all, which file we can see? I am currently which user? This is my username. So by default in Linux Mission Ubuntu, there is a one file. All users, groups, everything, it is maintaining one file. What is that file name? Cat space etc slash pass wd. So these are the user file. All users we can see. I created Pati per user, DevApps user, and this is my user, and this is Anil user. And see here there is many users we can see: root user, bin user, system, map. These are the default users created by, maintained by Linux operating system. And this and all I created. So end user created. This is the user Anil. This and all I created. Now this is the default path. Don't confuse here. This is the one file, and the file path is so slash cat. Right? Cat means if you want to display anything, etc. What is the etc directory here? Configuration. First class we discussed, right? Linux file systems, Linux files. etc is the one configuration directory. Under this there is a pass wd. So this is the file. So under this file, whichever users we created in real time, also same command, no, don't confuse. So all users, so if you want to see, if you want to find, so here we can see some username, we can see some group id, we can see some user id, and which is my home directory, and what how I am running bash bin bash. So these are the default structure available. Now for example, I want to check, I want to search, this is the very large lines, right? Many lines available here. I want to search my username. Now how we can search? Now see here, slash etc slash pass wd. I want to search my username. What is the command? If you want to search any string, I means ignore case. For example, I want to search path. What it is? Or we can save this one and something. Mm, here pass. So we need to give file name, right? File name here I am not mentioning. Already this is the file, and this and all it will work. We can pass grep paste path, and we can give. So we can give current directory, whatever name, file name and all we are passing. And same way, etc slash pass wd. First we'll check. Now see here, this is a Pati username and I am giving, so this is the, yesterday it is not working, right? So this is the directory name. This is the, so we can pass a particular directory under etc. This is the file name. This is the file name. And so W count, this is a word count only, how many characters and all. And so etc. And here we are using two times. Now see here, this is one piping. And so this is also more or less, there is two commands available. More or less, this is same simple only, more or less, right? So more or less means how it will work, right? Pagination. Anyone any idea? Suppose if we have multiple records, we cannot see all records at a time, right? Just assume here also same only, cat space etc slash pass wd. So can you see all lines at a time? This is a file actually. Here started here and where it is ended, here it is ended. Can you see all lines entire data at a time? No, right? Pagination జనరల్గా మనకి, సో ఎనీ పేజ్లో మనకు పేజ్ ఉంటుంది, జస్ట్ క్లిక్ నెక్స్ట్, సెకండ్ పేజ్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ విల్ గో టు నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్, నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్, నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్, దట్ ఈస్ యూఐ. And same way in Linux, this is the text files, this is the right. Here if you want to so more and less, there is two commands available, more and less. And if you want to see more, we can see. And see to find ls got the output and input to ws command. And if you want to count anything, so like this also we can pass many ways, slash etc and all. Now see here, generally if you use so ls command, and what is this, cat space etc slash, this is the default path. Every time I am using same only, don't confuse here, pipe symbol. I am using more, I am using more. Now see here, so this is the screen, a particular screen we can see only maybe 15 lines or 20 lines. Now see here, 4 6 8 10 10 12 14 16 18, maximum 20 lines. Now so already I see here, if you want to go to next line, see here more. Now see here, if you press enter, it will go to more. So like this, if we have your file has large data, we cannot see at a time entire data. I want to see, so first page, and next if you press enter, I want to see next lines and all. So that case we can use more. And same way we can use less also. Same way we can use less also. Now see here, this is first page, right? This is the first page. Now see here, same, this is the commands less, this is the more and less. And same way there is few more commands also is there. Tail head, tail head will cover, tail head. What is tail head? Anyone? Here itself we can understand, tail head. More less means page by page, guys. Simply if you want to see more records, more lines, that case we can use a more and less. And same way there is tail and head also is there. Mostly I am using so head commands and tail command. Head means bottom or top? Head, general way,
Top.
top, right? So now
Top.
this is the file. So now this is the file. Here we have many lines available. See here, pass wd. Just assume I want to see top 5 lines, or I want to see only top 10 lines. If you use top command, by default we can see here how many lines. By default it will display 10 lines only. Cat space. This is a regular command I am using. I hope everyone understand what is pass wd. This is one file, pipe symbol, and I am using a head. I am using head. Head means by default it will display top 10 lines only, blindly. So if you use, I am not mentioning anything, by default it will display top 10 lines only. Every file, not only this. So this file I am getting some output, cat space etc slash pass wd, pass wd. So this file, we are getting some output. Here I am using piping, right? So this output I am pass input to this file. I am pass input to this file. Okay, this head means this output. I want to print only head means 10 lines. Now I am using so tail, same command. So bottom it will display 10 lines. Bottom it will display 10 lines. Head means top, tail means bottom. No, sir, I want to last 5 lines only I want to display. So how to pass it? So generally this and all mostly we are using while searching log files. If you want to see errors, I don't want entire file, last lines only I want to see. So that case mostly we should use tail. Now this is one. Everything available here, just head and tail. Now see here, head. Now see here, I want to only 5 lines. This is less we can use and also dev we can use if you want to only fix a number of files either from top or either from bottom. We can use a head and tail command with the ls command. Whatever you want, that is your wish. Now I am using -5. -5 means how many lines it will display. I am giving -5. So bottom, this is the count, 5 lines only. Last 5 lines. Last. So in this file, so here we are getting some output. In this output I want to display only last 10 5 lines. Suppose you want to display top 5 lines, so that case head not only 5, I want only 3 lines. We can use anything. Now see here, top only 3 lines it will display. Top 3 lines only it will display. So tail means bottom, whatever you want, so we can use it. Clear? Anyone any doubt here? Less, more. If we have many lines we can use so line by line also we can use, or we can use if you want to specific so top bottom, and that case we can use. So this is the top and bottom. In date command already you know top and bottom. And also we can see next, anyone any doubt? Tail, head, top, less, more, less, more. This is pipe multiple commands starting answer. Now very important, so link files. Interval also many people ask this question. This is very important guys, very important. Just try to understand. So as of now you know, so three types of file here. Anyone any doubt? These commands, tail, head, more, less, these all are very simple commands only, just execute it, that's it. Now linked files. Now D means you know, right? What is this file? Directory. So I, that is hyphen means what is this file? Regular files. Now somewhere we can see L. L means
Linked.
linked. So there is two types of linked here. One is hard link and one is soft link. Hard link and one is soft link. Very important. Enter also many people ask this question. What is difference between hard link and soft link? Hard link and soft link. Now come to here. Now I want to see that and all, right? ls command. So ll command. Now see here. So these all are the directories. These all are the directories. So remaining all are files. I hope everyone understand. Anyone any doubt here? Do we have any linked file here? No, right? See here. Do we have any linked file here as of now? No.
Yes.
Now I want to create a linked file. I want to create a hard file, hard link and soft link. How to create? Before creating here, so let's move on to Windows environment. If you understand Windows, that is nothing. Very simple only. Windows, you know, right? A shortcut, shortcut. For example, so this is the file. This is the file, and so anything, just open it. For example, desktop, and this is the file. This is the file. Okay. And so I want to somewhere some path just assume anywhere. For example, నా ఫైల్ అనేది నా విండోస్లో ఎక్కడో ఉంది. సో మేబీ సి డ్రైవ్లో, సి డ్రైవ్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, అండ్ సో కేఎటెస్ అండ్ హెల్మ్ and devs. Here my file is available. Every time if I want to open this file, if I want to open this file, నేను ప్రతిసారి ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలి? ఈ పాత్కి వెళ్ళాలి. యూ గాట్ ఇట్. ఎవ్రీ టైం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నాకు values.yml ఫైల్ ఓపెన్ చేయాలి. సో ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ ఐ నీడ్ టు గో సి డ్రైవ్. Every time I need to go C drive, and so go to here, KTS, and go to Helm, and go to DevOps. I want to open this file. This is the process, regular process. No, I don't want to go every time in this path. I want to open, I am going to give shortcut key. So from desktop or somewhere, I am going to give shortcut. See here, where is desktop create? So desktop create shortcut. Now see here, instead of going that path every time, so now there is a one shortcut available here. Now got it. So now if I click on this, directly it will open. No need to go that path. See here. అర్థమైందా? Anyone any doubt here? Clear? Both are same only. Now I want to open values.yml file. So every time we can go my C drive, go to here, and go to here, and click on Helm and DevOps, and here I can open. Both are same only. See here. Here also it will open. I don't want like this. My file path is very large. I want to create shortcut. How to create shortcut? Same, right click that file, and go to here. There is a one option. Send, see, create a shortcut in desktop. Create shortcut in desktop. That's it. Now if you click on this, now see it will create a shortcut arrow mark also. Anyone any doubt guys here? Now I open. Now here we need to understand few more things. Suppose if I delete original file, can I open this file, shortcut file? అందరు ల్యాప్టాప్లు వాడతారు కదా, సో మన ఫైల్స్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం సంథింగ్. నౌ షార్ట్ కట్ అవైలబుల్. ఐ క్రియేటెడ్ సాఫ్ట్ లింక్ ఇన్ లైనక్స్ సాఫ్ట్ లింక్ హియర్ షార్ట్ కట్. దట్స్ ఇట్. నౌ ఇఫ్ ఐ delete my original file, can I open this file? Now it will happily I can open, no problem. It will open, it will work. See, I can open, I can modify anything, whatever you want, we can do it, no problem. Now see here, control S, save. Again if you go to original file, automatically it is updated. So now go to C drive, go to here, and so this is Helm DevOps, and which file I modified? Chart. Which file I modified? Chart file. Now open that chart file. Now that whatever you updated, it is available. See here, this is. Now what is the behavior of shortcut? Now I deleted original file. I deleted original file. I deleted original file. So I deleted original file. Is it possible to work with so shortcut file? ఎవరైనా ట్రై చేస్తారా? ఇప్పుడు ఇది వర్క్ అవుతుందా, వర్క్ కాదా? కెన్ ఐ ఓపెన్ దిస్ ఫైల్?
Yes, sir. Open.
ఓపెన్ అవుతుందా? ట్రై ఇట్. సీ హియర్, వాట్ ఈస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సేయింగ్?
Clear that.
100% it won't deleted. However, we cannot restore this recycle bin. So if you want to, we can restore it. ఇప్పుడు నేను delete కొడితే రీసైకిల్ ఉంటుంది, స్టోర్ చేసుకోమంటే స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటుంది. అది ఓపెన్ అయింది. నేను ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ డెలిటింగ్ పర్మనెంట్ delete. So Windows, if you want to delete permanently, what is the command? Shift delete. Now I'm going to delete, shift delete. If I delete ఇస్తే it will go to recycle bin, it will restore it. Now I'm going to shift delete. Now see here, go to here, Elm DevOps. Now I'm deleting, shift delete values.yml file. Shift delete means permanently delete in our machine. Yes, I deleted. Now it won't restore. Now values.yml file. Now try to open it. Now see here, do you want to see here? There is this file has been changed or removed, so shortcut will no longer work properly. That is the whole concept. If we delete original file, we cannot work with soft link. Sorry, that is the link file, soft link file. That is shortcut file. I hope you understand, right? అర్థమైందా? This is chart. Now I am working with so values file. See here. Even I have click S also. it won't come because already I deleted permanently. I deleted permanently. You got it? Anyone any doubt? So this is the shortcut in Windows. In the same way, if we come to Linux Mission soft link, in Linux Mission soft link, now I am coming to a hard link. Now see here, it is trying to search the file, but anyway, I deleted permanently, and we cannot find that file. We cannot find that file. Now how it will work? A hard link. Mm. Now right click, task manager, and it is searching something. What it is searching? Massive paint task manager. Which one I need to close? Okay, it is searching. Keep on. I clicked right. So okay. Now better to open something. Okay. Okay. Now it is gone. Now leave it. Now hard link. Now Windows first I will show you hard link. Till it is searching. Windows D. I don't have. Refresh it. That's it. It is hanging. Windows D. Okay. Now how it will work? A hard link. Hard link means now same way. Go to here. C drive. Go to this path. Same path. Helm. Hard link means just I am copying this file or anything. Chart. No chart here. Template. Just anything whatever you want. Hard link. I am in DevOps templates. Copy this file and paste in desktop. Anywhere. Not only desktop. This is the hard link. Hard link. Now, if you want to open, we can open here also. I given S, right? Still it is searching. Okay. So now hard link means, so even if I delete my original file, I can happily work with my hard link file. Now got it, guys? Concept is very simple only. If you understand, very simple, or else we cannot understand this is. Now see here template. Now see here which file I copied and pasted in desktop. Which file? HPA, right? Now go to here. My file name is HPA. See, I am deleting my original file. I am deleting my original file, and you can happily work with so in this file also desktop. Yes or no? First, begin task manager notepad. Where is notepad? First, I need to kill this one. Right click, end task. Okay, that's it. Now see here, I deleted I deleted my original file. Still, I can work with my hard link file. Now see here, whatever you want, we can modify, we can update anything. So this is the whole concept. I hope you understand, right? So shortcut means original file untene manake shortcut file work అవుతుంది. If you delete original file, it won't work shortcut. Hard link means so two way. అక్కడ ఉంటుంది ఒక కాపీ ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది. So if you delete original file, we can happily work with so hard link hard file also. There is no problem. You can modify, you can update whatever you want. So this is the in Windows. Anyone any doubt here? Hard link and soft link. Same concept here. Same concept here. Hard link and soft link. See here. So it is just another name of the same exact file. Okay. Right now I given same name only. You know, right? Rename. If you copy and paste another name, and we can create a hard link file by using like ln command. How to create a hard link file with the help of ln file. And in original file, hard link file both. See here. So we can create like this. Here file is original file and this is the hard link file. And so both original file and hard link file have same inode number, same size, same timestamp. If you have delete original file, then there is no effect in the hard link file. This is the main point. You understand, guys? Anyone any doubt still here? If it is clear, let's move on to practically. So how we are creating? This is the syntax. If you want to create a hard link file, What is the command? ln original file name, that is the original file. And so now this is the new file hard-link file, that is the hard-link file, whatever you want, that is your understanding. Hard-link file. Okay, that's it. Now so here both hard-link file and original file timestamp is both. And so original file, hard-link file, same inode member, same size, same timestamp. And if you delete original file, so we can happily work no effect in the hard link file. Now even if I delete my original file, even if I delete my this file, so if you want to, we can work with happily this file also, there is no problem. That is the whole story. Anyone any doubt here? Now we'll come to soft link. Soft link means so this is the syntax, ln hyphen s, we need to use this is the command, ln hyphen s file1 file2, ln hyphen s file1 file2. This is the soft link. So ln hyphen s and original file and same, this is the soft link file, I'm giving soft link file. So this is the syntax, this is the syntax. Now if original file is deleted, we cannot work with soft link. And here the points and all, see how it will work a soft link, right? See here, soft link another file just like Windows shortcut, it is also known as symbolic link. And soft link or symbolic both are same only. And we can create soft link by using the ln command and with hyphen s option. And so original file and soft link file here main is, and the original file and soft link file have different inode values and a different file size also, and timestamp also different. And if you delete the original file, then soft link file will become the useless. If we delete original file, the soft link file, there is no use, there is no use. Anyone any doubt here? If it is clear, so let's move on to practically. Yes or no? Anyone any doubt? Hard link and soft link, we'll see practically how it will work. Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay,
So,
now see here, come to here, we can take any file, that is your wish. Clear? ls, very very important. Take any one file, so that is your wish. Already my any file, my IPs, right? My IPs, cat space cat space my IP. Yesterday we created one file, right? So this is my file name, 3 lines available. I have some host name and IP addresses. Okay, now I'm going to use a hard link file first. Before that, so I want to show something. I want to see inode value. How to see inode value? All files inode values. Inode value means memory it is maintaining for every file. It is maintaining one ID, right? One number. So ls hyphen I. I means
Mm.
inode value. Now where is my file? My IP. M. So where is that file? Where my, here, right? Okay, now last column, third one. See here, what is the inode value? 13347. 13347. And I am going to create so anyone, hard link or soft link. First, which one will go? Hard link or soft link? Anyone? All
Fine.
hard link. Now see here, ln space and original file. What is my original file? My IP. My IPs dot txt. And hard link file. H, my IPs. H means hard link file. Just for understanding purpose, I am using so ln space. This is my original file name, and this is my new file name. Just file name only, it will change. That's it. H, my IPs. That's it. Now hard link file is created. Now check it. inode value ls space hyphen I. Now we can create one more file also, h, one more file also, h my id, h my ips.txt. Now check it inode value, both file inode value same or different? This file, this is the original file, inode value 13347. Just now I created a hard link, hard file, 13347. It is changed or not? No, right? That is we discussed here. So hard link means, so both original file, hard link file, inode same inode value, inode number, same size, same timestamp also. Now check it ll. Now we can check it. See here h 747 timestamp. Where is my that one? This is the hard link. One more file, my IP 747. What is the size? 26 KB. And this is also 26. Now check it here, h, so to 26 here, and inode value also. So match, right, all points. Anyone any doubt here? Match, right? Same inode number, same size, and same timestamp also. And if you delete original file, then we no need to affect on the hard link file. Now I'm going to update something. So vi my original file, my ips dot txt, and so insert, right, and okay, just I updated. Okay, now cat space my ips. Now see here, data is updated or not? Now go to a hard link file. So cat space, what is the file name? H my ip. Got it? Now this content will update or not? Anyone guess it at least? Actually, I updated original file. So here my doubt is, this modification is updated in my hard link file or not?
Will update, maybe update.
Okay, not sure. What about others? ఇప్పుడు నేను హార్డ్ లింక్ ఫైల్లో అప్డేట్ చేశాను. సో హార్డ్ లింక్ ఫైల్ అప్డేట్ చేశానంటే మేబీ ఇట్ విల్ అప్డేట్ ఆర్ నాట్. సో డౌట్, రైట్? నౌ చెక్ ఇట్ హియర్.
No, sir.
నౌ సీ హియర్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్? సేమ్ ఐనోడ్ నెంబర్, సేమ్ టైమ్ స్టాంప్, సేమ్ సైజ్. ఇక్కడ అప్డేట్ కాలేదు అనుకుందాం, జస్ట్ మీ దీని ప్రకారం. హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ అప్డేటెడ్. దీని ఫైల్ సైజు ఈ ఫైల్ సైజ్ సేమ్గా ఉంటుందా? నో, రైట్? ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ట్రా కొన్ని క్యారెక్టర్స్ యాడ్ చేశాను. ఈ ఫైల్ సైజ్ మారిపోతుంది, కేబీ. ఈ ఫైల్స్ ఇక్కడ అప్డేట్ కాలేదనుకో, సో ఈ ఫైల్ సైజు తక్కువ ఉంటుంది, ఇది ఎక్కువ అయిపోతుంది. సో దిస్ ఈస్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ కంపేర్ టు దిస్ ఫైల్. Now what is the meaning here? So if you hard link file means same inode number, same size, same timestamp. So previous నాకు ఎంత ఉంది size? 26 ఉంది both. కరెక్టా? Now see here 26. Now check it, it will increase or not? Now see here, what is the size?
27.
27. 1 byte increase అయింది. So that is the
Increase.
meaning. Now I am going to delete original file. Next point. See here, if if we delete the original file, then no there is no effect on the hard link file. So now I'm going to remove the original file. Original file means, which is my original file, my IPs. Okay, I'm going to remove this one. Now got it? How to remove the file, guys?
RMs.
Rm space file name, my IPs. Now I removed. Now ls, check it whether that file is available or not. Not available. Okay, now I want to work with this file. We can work or not? నేను దీన్ని మాడిఫై చేయాలి. ఈజ్ ఇట్ పాసిబుల్ ఆర్ నాట్? పాసిబుల్.
Yes.
దట్ ఈస్ ద పాయింట్. అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ నథింగ్. నౌ సీ హియర్, ఇది అర్థమైతే దట్స్ ఎనఫ్. నౌ సేమ్ వే అప్డేటెడ్ హార్డ్ లింక్ ఫైల్, just for our understanding purpose only. Escape colon x. Now check it whether it is updated or not. Cat space h hard link file. See here. So original file delete అయినా we can happily work with the hard link file. Clear, guys? Now move on to soft link. Anyone any doubt? Hard link file. Anyone any doubt?
No.
No. Okay. Now come to soft link. How it will work? So first we need to try to understand theoretically. Soft link ante so different timestamp and different size and different inode value. And if you delete the original file, we cannot work with soft link file. That's it. Opposite. Opposite of hard link. That's it. Now come to here. Take any one file. ls command. And so we have this file, right? Faculty or emails dot anything that is your wish, or ips.txt file. So cat space ips.txt file. Now see here, this is the ips.txt file. Now I'm going to use create soft link. Before creating soft link, let's try it ll. Now do we have anywhere l here? L all d only dash, right? These all are the regular files directories. Now I'm going to soft link ln space, we need to add extra s. So what is my original file? IPs, right? Clear. And s IPs soft link txt I'm giving. Now we cannot see this file here as of now. S IPs, see, we can't see here. Just press enter. Now file is created. Now check it. Now observe here, added L or not? L. If you see L means what is this file?
Linked files.
This is linked. This file linked from which file?
ips.txt.
IPs.txt. Now check the timestamp and all everything. LL command. Now first go to IPs. What is the timestamp here? First inode value. So ls hyphen I. Now check it. So SIPs 1454 and so IPs inode value 5376. Different or same? Different, right? One point matched.
Different.
And check size also. Size timestamp. So this timestamp 16 colon 46. And what is this file? 16 colon 42. Now got it. Now check the size also. See here, this file size 25 and this file size 27. Matched or not? So everything same as it is. A different inode value, different so timestamp and different size also. Now I am going to delete my original file. Is it possible to work with my this file?
No.
No, that one. This is the main point here, like shortcut only. That's it. Nothing is there. Now ls command. Now which is original file? This is original file, and so this is the soft link file. Okay. Now I'm going to delete with before that. Let me see. Cat space ips.txt and so cat space sips.txt. Both we can see. No problem. And if you update IPs, see here, should vi ips.txt. Now insert. Now I'm going to add some more IP. That is your wish. Wherever you want, we can add it. Okay. Now I am using 20 dot 20 dot 20 dot 2 dot. I'm giving one escape colon x. Hard link లో if you modify original file, that is vice versa. ఎక్కడ మార్చినా ఆటోమేటిక్ అప్డేట్ అయింది. Now check it here. Cat space IPS. Now see here updated. Now cat space S IPS. Updated or not? This is also same vice versa. If you want to, we can update here also, no problem. See here VI SIPs. ఎక్కడ అప్డేట్ చేసినా that is two-way communication. Insert as of now. Now I am going to add. Okay, updated soft file escape colon x. Now cat space SIPs. Now updated. Now cat space IPs. Now see here. Okay. Now I am going to delete the original file. Now I am going to delete the original file. Original file means which is your original file? This one or this one? Original file. IPs.
ips.txt.
Okay. And I am using so rename also MV ips.txt, ips1.txt. Just I want to back up. That's it. And I'm going to delete original file. ll rm space ip
Yes.
s file delete removed, or where is that file? ips.txt.
Sir, you have renamed, sir.
Rename, right? Okay. Copy చేయాలి మనం. mv ips1.txt, 1.txt, and ips.txt. This is the actual, right? t ips.txt. Okay. ll. Now first it will open cat space sips, and so just try to edit. I rename, right? Whether it is work or not, I need to check it. So sips.txt, insert update updated escape colon x. Now go to here cat space ips. Okay, okay, it is working perfectly, no problem. Now I'm going to delete this file. Which file? Original file. rm space ip. This is right. How to copy file? Okay, or else leave it, no problem. That is not a only test file, right? ll. Now I'm going to remove rm space ips.txt. Now I removed. Now try to open this file, whether it will work or not. So our scenario, it will work or not. If you delete original file, mm,
Soft link files will
no use.
become useless. No use.
Cannot. Now see here, vi or cat space s ips.txt. Now see here, no such file or directory. What is this meaning? Same like Windows shortcut. మీరు ఒరిజినల్ ఫైల్ delete చేసినారంటే we cannot work with original file. Sorry, we cannot work with that shortcut. Same way here also. That's it. That is the interview. Many people, so they asked this question: what is difference between soft link and hard link? I hope you got idea, right? ఎలా వర్క్ అవుతుంది? Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is very, very important to note it. Okay. Now come to here. Now this is also done. Now very, very important command. I will show you few more. Only 10 minutes, right? Some interview questions. Interview mostly they asked. So I want to know my operating system kernel version. So kernel means so you know, right? So hardware, kernel, shell, user, right? I want to know my kernel version and all. So many people ask this question. You name. If you want to find your operating system kernel version and all, you name. This is the command, guys. Hyphen a. A means all. Now see here. I am Linux operating system. I am using 5.15, and so it will give some information 64-bit, 32 and 64-bit GNU Linux. So this is very, very important command. Uname. Uname means if you want to know your kernel version, or uname hyphen r also. I don't want this much length, and so if you want to see that case, so we can use uname hyphen r also, shortcut. Only I don't want a full information, that just is only version. So this a means all, r means only shortcut that particular version. So very, very important. Many people they asked, this is a uname command. Uname, uname hyphen or we can use hyphen a also. So a means a full information. Hyphen a, uname. Now there is two more commands. Mostly interview also they are asking. Du and so df command. Du and df command. These are very, very important, guys. So uname command, hard link, soft link, and du and df. So already here also available. Just if you want to check it. Du, the du disk usage. Here no is df du command. So du means this is the, see here, du means estimate file space usage, disk usage. Du means disk usage. I want to know, you have hard disk, right? మన హార్డ్ డిస్క్లో ఎంత స్పేస్ యూస్ చేసాము. విండోస్లో అయితే ఇలా చెక్ చేస్తాం. గో టు హియర్, ఇఫ్ యూ గో టు మై కంప్యూటర్, నౌ సీ హియర్, దిస్ ఈస్ టోటల్ 120 GB and so only remaining so 737 MB available, remaining entire space used. If you come to D drive, total 354 GB and only remaining space 27.8 GB. Windows means this is very simple. Now if you want to know Linux machine, there is two commands, du disk usage and disk file system. Now see here, du, if you use du, now you can see, so based on, so what is the usage, see disk usage based on directory wise. Now see here, this all are the directories and all, how much I used and all. So there is many arguments also here, also we can pass it. See here, du, so this is the file space usage. It will display directory wise disk usage in the form of blocks. Each block is 1024 bytes. So with du commands we can use multiple options also. I want to display only kilobyte k. If you want to only readable, human readable format -h and megabyte format -m, megabyte format -m, whatever you want we can use it. So du -k, k means kilobyte, h means human readable format. I am using du -h. Now see here, human readable, I am the human, right? Human readable format, du -h, human readable format. So how much kb, kilobyte. So if you want to see human readable format, we can use the directory wise. So directory wise it will display that full information. Now same way, that is okay, du, so du -uk, whatever you want size and all we can mention it. And so pre command also, okay, now we'll finish du. Okay, so that's it guys. Apart from this, nothing. I want to see only last, right, 10 lines, -n. So before 10 lines, du -a all and -a h readable format head. Now see here, du, these are very simple and remaining, just understand. -a -h all files and all, and tail pipe symbol. I don't want all, h head only -5. See here, last, see this and all. If you go to here, what is this, we can see 5. Right, head command how it will work. Same way, if you want to tail, so instead of head we can use tail also, remaining same only. Last you want to only, I don't want count also, last 5. So like this also, if you want to we can pass it. Now head means human readable format, a means all. So these are the same, and same way df command also available. Df, mostly they are asking what is difference between du and df. Df means, now observe here, what is df, this is a file system. See files, how much space available is spaced, see file system name and blocks and used space available and how much percentage you used, what is the mount point. This is a file system, that is the disk usage based on directory wise. So this is a file system, there is many c drive, d drive, there is many things you have, right, in our machine, in our laptop. So that and all it will display file. Disk, df means disk file system, and du means disk usage. Du means disk usage. There is one more command also, very very important, free. I want to know memory, how much memory I used, what is the free memory, available memory, I want to know something. So that case also we can use free, free, free. Free means total memory, what is the memory, and used memory and free memory and shared memory, so available memory. These are very very important. Interview also many people ask these questions. So they want to check, so memory space. If you want to, we can use -m also option. Now see here, same only. So it will display size, free memory, and this entire information how it will work and all. Clear guys? Anyone, any doubt? So here enter, mostly they are asking this question, what is difference between, so between DU and DF, disk usage and disk file system. So one is only it will display based on usage file system format. One is file system format, and a command both frequently used by system administrator to check the disk usage, disk space usage. The main difference is two level is quantity of which is operating. DU, when which case DF means provide overview of disk space using file system format, file system level, while DU helps estimate disk usage at the directory level. That is the main difference. That is the DM main difference, and the remaining options and all we can pass it. Remaining and all we can pass it. Free means that is. Now there is one more command, top command. Top means this is also very important. Top command. So disk usage, disk file system, and free memory. And if you want to check the memory and all free, and there is one more command, top command. Now see here, top. If I use top command, now you can see full information about your process. See here, so top, last when I started 7:57 I started. Now this is the current time, right? 7:57. So up and running. How many? My machine is running. So 24 minutes. My machine is running. Last 24 minutes it is running. How many users I worked in? Only one user. And so total task average 36, and one sleeping time, and what is the CPU usage, how much usage, and what is free memory, total memory, everything we can see. These are the running processes. We can see PID, PPID. These are the some information. So how memory. So this is same like taskbar. In Windows we are using, if you right click here, task manager. Here also we can check it. See here, CPU, each task, how much memory it is using, and what is the CPU percentage, what is the disk usage it is using, what is the network usage. Same like this is a Windows, but if we come to Linux, that is the top command. This is the top command. Suppose if you want to kill one task, how we can kill, guys? Here, I don't want notepad. I don't want this terminal. If you want to kill any terminal, right click, right click. There is a end task, right? End task. But if you come to Linux, this is not GUI, right? Linux. So this is the command. Kill space process PID. Kill space PID. Control C. Kill space PID. What is PID? My PID 589. Now it will kill this task. It will kill this task. All are same only. Try to understand. Windows లో మనం ఎలా వాడతాం, ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ వీ కెన్ యూస్ ఇన్ లైనక్స్, బట్ లైనక్స్ విల్ చేంజ్ కమాండ్స్ ఓన్లీ, దట్స్ ఇట్. సో ఇక్కడ అయితే మనం రైట్ క్లిక్ ఇచ్చి జస్ట్ కిల్ టాస్క్ అంటాం, ఎండ్ టాస్క్ అంటాం. బట్ ఇఫ్ యూ కమ్ టు లైనక్స్, దిస్ ఈస్ ద కిల్, దిస్ ఈస్ ద కిల్, దట్స్ ఇట్. So anyway, next class also we'll see. And there is if you want to find any process and all, this is process state. So if PS means process state, and PS hyphen EF means it will display all processes, running processes. See here, who are the used. First I log into root ID, and now see here, I logged in which user, my username only, and so 73 my used, and Markunda, this is 57 PST. These are the, so which user you logged in, that and all we can see here also. This is the PS. Anyway, next class we'll see PS process state. If you want to check it, this is the command PS hyphen EF. So if you want to see what are the process running, PPID, parent PID, and the timestamp, and the timestamp, and everything, so we can track here. Everything we can track here. This is the command which path and all. So these are the very important command. Interval also most of the people they are asking, and PS hyphen EF, and if you want to kill any process ID, and this is PID. This is the PID. This is the PID. So clear, guys? Anyone any doubt as of now? So here mostly very important hard link, soft link, and so uname command. These all are very simple commands only, but enter most of the people they are touching these commands only. 90% they are asking these questions only. So what is difference between du and df, disk usage and disk file system, and what is free command, how we can check memory, and what is stop command, and how we can, there is many commands also available, we'll see later. So this is a frequently used command, top only. And if you want to check processes, ps-ef, and if you want to kill the any process id, kill space pid. That's it. Now this and all already you know what is grep command, egrep command, fgrep command, find command, ls more, and tail head. Clear? Yes or no? Anyone any doubt here? Hello? వినిపిస్తుందా వినిపించలేదా?
Ah,
Clear?
yes, sir, clear.
Okay. So